In order to add MusicBot to your Discord server on a mobile device, what you want to do is you want to open up your web browser. Then please go ahead and look up Discord Bot Music. By the way, this will work both on iOS devices and on Android devices. And then you want to go to the official top.gg website right over here. And this is a free website that will easily allow you to add music Discord bots and apps to your mobile server. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and use the Rhythm Music Bot. We can absolutely do so. And all you want to do is you want to press on this invite button just like so. Then afterwards, it is going to open up Discord right over here. And then you just want to make sure that you actually give it permission. So please go ahead and scroll down, and then you just want to select on your Minecraft server. So go ahead and find the server you want to add it to. And then afterwards, you want to press on continue. Then select on authorize, and afterwards it is going to say success, and you can even import your Spotify information so that you're able to go ahead and listen to your Spotify playlist and stuff like that, which is a really useful feature. Alright, but if we go back to our Discord mobile application and we go to our server right here, you're able to notice that we got our music bot ready, and we can go ahead and actually press on click here to get started, and we are good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.